This presentation will demonstrate how to create a diagram using a UAV image. These are the topics that will be covered as we import the GeoTIFF file into Map360. Map360 is the only forensic software currently available that allows you to import a geo-referenced image along with its corresponding world file, which means it will come in automatically scaled and oriented without introducing human error. For those that use GPS, this also means that your GPS data will be correctly oriented over your image automatically. In this example, we are just using an image file, but if you also extract 3D point cloud data within Pix4D, Map360 is able to display both the point cloud and the image simultaneously, providing even more detail. Here we are inserting vehicle representations that are scaled based on the built-in Canadian Vehicle Specs database. You also have the option of using a 2D or 3D symbol from our symbol librarian or Google SketchUp library. We will be expanding our symbol library to include more 3D symbols this year. The Scene Analysis tool allows you to search the year, make, and model of the vehicles involved. The editing tools allow you to easily move, copy, and rotate any entity drawn in your scene, including these vehicle representations. Next, we are going to show some of Map360's drawing features, such as tracing over the image, adding fills, text, and dimensions. The ribbons are laid out with big buttons and text to easily locate the tools that you need. I used a polyline from the Draw tab to outline some of the debris on the scene, but you could have also used a rectangle. I am using polylines to trace the outline of the fluid spill on the roadway. I am making sure I close the polyline so that I can use the boundary hatch tool and apply a pattern fill or a solid fill to each of these areas. The dimensioning tools are under the Analysis tab. I'm adding an aligned dimension to the fluid spill, and I'll label some of the items on the scene with a leader. In this case, I just made multiple leaders for the one fluid description. Next, you can insert a symbol from our symbol librarian, so I'll just make sure we have a scale bar located in our scene, and then we can add some evidence markers. This feature allows you to attach any file to your evidence markers, which you'll be inserting on the scene. You can include a legend text that will be inserted with the legend. And for this scene, I'm just going to be inserting photos, but you're able to insert videos, audio notes, PDF documents, aerial images, whatever it may be to go with your scene can be included, and that will all be included in the report at the end. Another unique feature in Map360 is our viewports, which can be customized by the user and provide a close-up view of your actual diagram. These viewports will be updated simultaneously when changes are made. So we'll export this diagram as a PDF file, and then we'll create the evidence report, and we can attach that as our cover page. So when the evidence report opens, we have our diagram as the first page, and then we have each of our evidence markers, and they have a link where you can open the attached files in full screen. Thank you for watching our demonstration.